Hi there, I'm Lisa, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an exciting delivery. I'm really pleased. I finally treated myself to a new sofa. I'm in my studio right now and I have had the sofa in here for almost 20 years. We were given it when we moved into the house, and it came, once we bought new furniture, it came down to the studio. It was a bed sofa, two-seater, so ideal. And it's just marked and old, and I don't need the bed sofa anymore as I don't have people sleeping in here when they visit. So it was time for a new one. I've been wanting a new one for a while and I kept feeling it was a really extravagant spend. But no, I've never had a new sofa in here, so I've decided to treat myself. I've ordered one from made.com and the sofa is called Gertie. It was £299 and delivery was £25, but when I signed up I also got a £10 off coupon, and so it came to, in the end, with I think £314.99, I think that sounds about right. And I will leave a link below for the sofa so you can have a look. The communication has been wonderful, I have to say. The whole process through, I've had emails and I've had delivery links, so I knew when it was with the delivery company. And yesterday I had an email. Oh, I also had an email I think on Friday or Saturday, so I could choose my delivery date for, or it was beginning of the week, so I could choose my delivery date anyway. Today was the soonest, the 15th of Feb, and so I selected today, but I could have chose other days had they have been better for me. And then yesterday I got emailed with a 2-hour delivery slot, which I thought was very impressive, so no staying in for the whole day. And today apparently I will also get a text or a call or something, I think 30 minutes before they deliver. So I have to say, so far I'm very impressed. I've been clearing out, I've cleared out. The sofa will need to come through the hallway, through the kitchen to come to my studio. So I've just been clearing out, been cleaning, moving the bin and everything, cleaning on the floor and the doors, behind the walls behind all that. And I've just been doing the studio as well, clearing out the space, so the sofa is ready. I will show you. So this is the space where the sofa will go. Sorry, I've got the washing machine on in the other room in case you can hear that. So it's a nice little nook and it's going to be coming through that entrance. I do want to paint my door. I've decided that today I'm going to be doing, they're all my rubber stamps on the back of the door. I'm going to be doing a stamp storage video, and I'm going to paint my door as well, because that's been like that for about 15 years and I've never got around to painting it. So it's just waiting now. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to go mop all the floors downstairs, make myself a coffee, and right now I'm in the middle of kit packing, so I will get back to that. So 10:30 and I've had a call to say they are due here in about half an hour, 45 minutes. So it's earlier than I expected, but I'm here all day, so that's good with me. Oh my goodness, wow, the rain. It's really suddenly coming down. My sofa's going to get wet. But I've cleared out, moved the dog crate out the way, so they've got full access in the kitchen through to the studio. And I hope they take the shoes off because I've just mopped. But I'm really, really excited. Gertie is on her way. And in the meantime, I am watching Dartmoor Killing. Lovely, happy movie. And packing these kits. I'm running out of boxes. I need to make some more. And yes, and I'm very excited. I keep saying I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm very excited. My sofa is here. So it's 5 to 12. My sofa has arrived. They aren't one of those companies that take their shoes off when they deliver, even when it's raining. I have lovely wet shoe prints all the way through the floor. I should have waited and mopped afters. Luckily, I did remove the rug here before they arrived. And the sofa is here. I'm going to mop the floors again, and as they're very wet, and I am going to try and take it out the box. I did kind of expect them to unbox it and take away the packaging. My sofa from DFS, they did do that, but never mind. Let's get the mop out and we'll open up the box, see what it's like. So floors are clean. Now to open up this box. I've decided the easiest way is going to be to cut down the box and kind of slide it out. Someone really doesn't like the box. I don't know why she's come in here. She's actually come through the studio and hidden under my desk. You don't like the box, Poppy? No? Would you not like the mess in here at the moment? So I've cut the box like that, and I'm going to try and slide that sofa out. I can't wait to see the colour. It looked teal on the website, but it was called petrol blue. Either way, it's a blue, greeny colour. I like those colours, so hopefully I'll be happy. I've just spied the colour. First glimpse of the colour, and it's just what I was hoping. I'm really struggling to get this box out. Aid offered to come home at lunchtime from the office and give me a hand, and I said, no, I can do it on my own. And on my own I will, no matter what it takes. I just busted a thumbnail. That wasn't part of the plan. And I've lost it. Don't even know where it's gone. And my thumbnail, it was under the sofa. Right. Sofa. Oh, I've scratched my floor as well. Moving the filing cabinet. Really did bust that nail. Right, how do I do this? Let's take this off. Oh, it's a nice colour. Oh, it's like a peacock blue. Right, got legs. Oh, where are the legs? I haven't seen any legs anywhere. Oh, it's lovely. It feels nice. Right, I found the legs on the sofa. There's little storage pockets underneath. That's where that was. So let's open this up and take them out. I better do that carefully, actually. I think we might have a little problem. My darling husband, Aid, 110 kilograms maximum on each side of the sofa. Don't know, love. What do you think? I don't think Poppy could come out now, even if she wanted to. Pops! Poppy! Poppy! Where are you? Poppy! I can see you, Pops! Hello! Poppy! Oh, you are coming out. You clever girl. You did it. Well done. So these are the legs. I've got 2 for each side. I've got instructions, and I've got these things to put them in with, and it says, oh, there's an Allen key in there as well. This all feels very grown up. I've never actually done anything like this before, not even a flat pack. So I'm guessing it goes out like that, and that goes in like that, and then we screw it. I'm not a great person for things like this because I have zero patience. In my head by now I would have had a nice cup of tea in my yellow mug to contrast with my lovely new teal sofa, and I'd be sat here relaxing. I didn't quite expect to have to do this. This one's going in quite well, actually. I guess it will be a sense of achievement when I've done it. What do you think, Pops? You like it? One. Let's see if we can get this one in. This one's stuck. And if I can do this, we'll see at the end, anyone can do it. I haven't even ever mowed a lawn before. Yeah. This is fiddly. And look at my nail. Sorry. Is it scary for you? I cannot seem to get this one in. Alright, let's try another one. I'm guessing the legs stick out that way. I put the Allen key in that time and not the screw. No wonder it went in easily. This one's going on really easily. I think there might be a problem with the one above. You're right, Pops. Poppy, you're not going to be able to get it out. You have to just wait a minute. Pops, Poppy, 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 just wait. Just wait a minute, sweetheart. Hold this for me. Do you want to help? Come here. Come here, Pops. It's already got your dog hair on this sofa. Didn't take long, did it? Poppy, wait. Alright, this one's still wobbling. Let's see what's doing with this one. This one is not going in. I can see that the thing that it goes in is kind of gone in the wood a little bit. It's not. So I've done those two. They're on tight. I am really struggling with this one here. There's nothing for it to grip to. When I'm trying to put it in, I'm going to have to keep trying though. Feeling so frustrated. These won't tighten. And this one, the screw just won't get grip. It's almost like it's not done properly. All the others have gone in fine. So there's obviously a problem with these. I'm fed up now. I've kind of jammed it in, but it's definitely not screwing. This one I definitely can't tighten up. I want to try it though. I wonder what will happen if I sit on it anyway. Let's try. It feels really nice. It's really soft. It's like velour. Bits of crap from the cardboard on it. That's the little sofa. I need to get some cushions. I wanted to check the colour before I got them. I might get a lamp to go in the corner as well. Looks cute, doesn't it? And I might actually I saw a really nice little yellow table in IKEA. That would go nice. And I do have a yellow rug up in the loft, which I might bring down. So now I'm going to test it, even though the legs aren't on properly. I'm only little though. I'm only 7.5 stone. It feels really nice. I like my sofa, just a shame the legs won't go on. Feels really soft. I think there should be plenty of room for Ada and I. And I need a coffee table, that's what I need. But I am happy with it. £299, it's not bad. So I'm really happy. I really need to get these legs sorted though. There's obviously a problem with these two legs on the side that I'm sat on. That's probably not a great thing to be sat here. Now I guess the difference is with DFS you pay £55, or you did last year when we had our sofas, £55 for delivery, but they come in, install it, make sure everything's fine, and they take away all the packaging. Made.com you pay £25, but they literally just put the box in the room where you need it. You're left to sort out obviously the legs, put anything together that needs putting together. Like now I do have a problem, and if somebody was here to install it I wouldn't be facing that problem myself. And I'm also left with a lot of packaging which we're going to need to cut up and take down to the recycling centre. But so far I'm happy, and I will let you know when Aid comes home if he can sort the legs out. So I've just popped my old cushions on there for now. They look quite nice. And the cardboard's all taken out. And I'm waiting for Aid to come home and try and fix the legs back on properly. Good morning. It's the next day. Aid did come home and he managed to get all the feet securely on the sofa, and it is now in place. I will show you. So there it is. The little sofa. It's called Gertie on the store. It's really, really comfortable. I really like it. I wouldn't recommend this particular sofa as your everyday lounge sofa. It's not a kind of snuggle down and be cozy sofa, but in my art studio here it's absolutely perfect. It's not a sofa that we use loads, but I do often sit on here to read the mail, or my husband sits on here more than I do actually. He'll come in and work on his laptop whilst I'm working, or we might sit and have a coffee sometimes. So it's not an everyday sofa, and it's certainly not one of those where I snuggle down and watch TV, because I don't have a TV in here. But in here I wanted something cute and I wanted something smaller. My previous sofa, although the seating space is the same, had really thick arms and a really thick back, so it took up so much space. So although the seating area is the same, it takes up a much smaller amount of space in here. So I'm gonna be buying a little coffee table to go next to the sofa on our next trip to IKEA. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really like my sofa. I'm really pleased with it. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you like my studio videos, if you enjoy seeing what I'm doing in my studio and all the changes I'm making, the organising and that kind of thing, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you soon. Bye.